Hey you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And today we are here with a lock update, but not any old lock update. We are doing a Wicks lock update. It has been 3 months since my husband wicked his hair, and I really want to know, where did the time go, because it does not seem like it's been 3 months since we started this process. And it has been a process, to say the least. Oof, child. But we're gonna go ahead and start with this retwist. As always, I'm using my favorite Loc N Gel to retwist. I absolutely love this product because of its hold. It's able to hold on to those loose hair, making it easier to feed the hair into these locks, creating a more stable root. But in our case, we're just maintaining the roots, because Coco did the hard part in our first video. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and check out our first wig tutorial so you guys know. So yeah, I'm just reparting his hair and trying to determine what patches of hair go into what locks. So this has been the most time consuming part of this whole tutorial, okay? Because I want to avoid causing any more damage to the root, so I am trying my best to avoid popping the new growth during sectioning. And so that is all we will be doing today. If I forgot to mention, there will be no styling in today's tutorial because we want to avoid putting his hair into any tight styles. As of right now, our main focus right now is rebuilding that foundation, so we will be avoiding styles as of right now, but there will be more styles in the future, so don't worry your sweet candy about it. But I'm going to continue retwisting his hair, and I would like to share our hair care routine because things have improved for the better, because we took Coco's advice serious and we were not playing around. So Coco suggests that he sleeps with something covering his locks every night. You need to be sleeping with something on your head. Satin, nothing cotton, because cotton absorbs the moisture from your hair. And he needed to add oil to his hair, but just to play it safe, we've been doing it like every 2 to 3 days, because you definitely don't want to over oil your hair. And just by avoiding tight styles for the last 3 months, we have seen the benefits of that, because his hair has grown a lot. And so yeah, we're loving the results. Just taking these extra steps have benefited us greatly. You know, for a moment, I was a little nervous, like, it's above me, child. You're going to have to cut them things off and start over again. But we stuck in there, and we was able to figure it out, because babe was about to be sick, and I wasn't going to make it any better. I was ready to see them little worms on his head all over again so I could swing my locks all over his face. But, you know, it ain't happen like that. Look at God. But we're just gonna go ahead and continue retwisting his hair. I'm crazy. Y'all know me by now. Now that I have finished the retwist, I am going to add a little bit of mousse and sit him under the dryer for about 15 minutes. And of course, I'm going to do that off camera because, of course, my camera wanted to die on me at this point. But boom, zam zaddy, like, ooh. Yes, I am loving this fresh retwist on bae. If you guys did like this tutorial, please remember to give us a big thumbs up, because it really does help out our channel. Leave a comment and subscribe, because we love creating content for you, for all of you. We do this for y'all, baby boo. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video on mine. Bye bye.